Are you also suffering from paycheck to paycheck? No matter how much you earn, at the end you struggle. I can assure you, if you follow this, you can change your financial level to the next level. Number one, mindset. The first and foremost step to improve your financial literacy is your mindset. Trust me or not, you are not going to achieve any goal in your life if you don't change your mindset. In order to improve financial literacy or financial numbers, or if you want to change anything in your life, first you need to fix that. Then the rest of things will work. I have seen so many people who are very negative about money or talk negatively about finance. Whatever the reason may be, if you do this, stop this, otherwise, forget about becoming a millionaire. You are not able to live happy for a longer period of time. Once you are done with the first step, you are ready to go to the next step. Number two, surround yourself with financially literate people. You know that people you hang out with daily, somewhat you become like them over a period of time. This can be also said that you are the average of 5 people you spend most of the time with. Surround yourself with good people who are actually financially good. This will help you to think about how their mind works and what qualities they have so that you also will automatically incorporate in yourself. Surrounding yourself with financially literate people will automatically help you to move your financial graph up. Number 3, consume content regarding finance. One of the best ways to improve financial literacy is to consume content regarding finance. If you seriously want to improve your financial literacy, you need to do this anyhow. There are lots of ways that one can improve the literacy rate in finance by consuming content on YouTube, listening to podcasts, and reading blogs, books, newsletters. If you think that you want step by step from beginning to advance, you can go for buying a course also. Number 4, ask for financial advice. Now you will say, I am novice, I don't know anything about finance or personal finance. What should I do? So, in this case, you can contact any financial advisor around you so that they can guide you. You need to see to it that they might charge, because if you have a decent amount of money, you can directly approach them. If you don't have money, I would suggest that consume content on personal finance or finance on a daily basis so that you will get used to that slowly, and gradually you will make progress, and after that, if you need, you can go for it or no problem. At the end, it's your choice. Number 5, focus on creating assets and minimizing liabilities. I am 110% sure that 99 out of 100 who are watching this right now, you have maximum liabilities and hardly any asset. You will say, no, you are wrong. We have assets that we live in our own home. So let me correct you. If you live in your own house, that doesn't fall under asset categories. It falls under liabilities categories. If you don't know what's the difference between asset and liability, something that puts money in your pocket is called an asset, and liabilities are something that takes away money from your pocket. So try to maximize the asset column and minimize the liabilities column. I can give you a guarantee, if you do this and make your financial decision wisely, you can see a huge increase in your financial graph. Final call, it's up to you. Mark my words. Repeat this sentence. Things don't change until I change. That's why. Do it now or regret it later.